Hey, didn't see you there. My name's Luke Mullen, and today on my talk show, we're going to be talking about the endangered species parallelograms with our special guest. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mr. Jack Davidson.
Hello everybody, how spectacular it is to be here on this show today.
Well, Jack, since you're such the expert on parallelograms, let's see if you can answer some simple questions about them. Question 1, and this should be easy. What's a parallelogram?
A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel.
Incorrect. Next question.
That is literally the textbook definition of a parallelogram.
Incorrect. You worded it differently.
Are you mental?
No, I'm not. Next question. True or false? Both pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent.
You know what, Luke? I'm going to say yes. Both sides are always congruent.
Incorrect.
What?
The correct answer was true.
That's what I meant.
Next question. A parallelogram walks into a bar. What is the order?
How am I supposed to know?
Incorrect. The correct answer was he ordered a water because his diagonals bisect each other. Fun fact, if a quadrilateral's diagonals bisect each other, then it's a parallelogram. And also, if it's a parallelogram, then its diagonals bisect each other.
No one cares about your fun fact.
Question number 3. Which theorem states that if a quadrilateral's opposite sides are congruent, it is a parallelogram? Is it A, 6.5, B, 6.2, C, 6.4, or D, 6.3?
You know, Luke, I'm going to have to say D, 6.3. A.
Incorrect. The answer was E, theorem 6.6. And by the way, if you didn't know, theorem 6.2 states that if a quadrilateral is parallelogram, then its opposite sides are congruent. We'll be right back after a quick commercial break showing those parallelograms that we have lost.
I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cool hotel.
Hello, and we are back on the show. Jack. Jack.
All right,
What are you doing?
Luke,
Okay.
ask me any question at all.
Okay. What do the angle measures of a parallelogram added together equal? All of them.
360 degrees, duh.
What type of degrees?
What's that supposed to mean?
Fahrenheit or Celsius?
This isn't the weather.
Incorrect. We're talking about geometric degrees.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never.
How do you find the area of a parallelogram?
Area equals base times height.
Incorrect. It's actually A equals BH.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't. You said area equals base times height. I'm saying A equals BH.
But they're the same.
Next question. The pairs of consecutive angles of a parallelogram added together equal what?
They are supplementary, so therefore they equal 180 degrees.
Correct.
Wait, really? I got that right? It was just a regular question?
Incorrect. No, it was theorem 6.4.
Oh my gosh!
Alright. Jack, is this a parallelogram?
Yes, the blade is a parallelogram.
Incorrect.
What? How? It's definitely a parallelogram.
No, it's not. It's a blade that's shaped like a parallelogram.
I said that!
No, you didn't. You said it was a parallelogram, something with the same shape as a parallelogram. It's still a blade. So.
Boy, this makes no sense.
Next question. True or false? Theorem 6.3 states that if a quadrilateral pairs of opposite angles are congruent, then it's a parallelogram.
True.
Well, actually incorrect, because according to my sources, the answer is false. Theorem 6.3 states that if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite sides are congruent. The theorem that states if a quadrilateral's pairs of opposite angles are congruent, then it is a parallelogram is actually theorem 6.7, so you're kind of wrong on that one.
Oh, okay, I'm fine with getting that one wrong because at least you actually gave me a real explanation, unlike the other questions that were totally rigged.
What? Rigged? What?
You clearly rigged this.
Next question. No! Oh my god! Next question.
This is a ripoff.
Let's get to move on, Jack. If an angle of a quadrilateral is supplementary to both of its consecutive angles, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. True or false?
You can catch me outside if I get it right and you say incorrect. By the way, the answer is true.
Incorrect.
Catch me outside, how about that?
The answer is actually true.
I hate you.
Final question to win $1 million from Luke Mullen Talk Show. If one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel and congruent, what is that shape?
A parallelogram.
And
Don't say it!
inside my house, it's warm.
What, mate?
You were correct. But I don't have $1 million. So that's all the time we have for today on the